Hi, I am Anne, your virtual success advocate from ZAPTEST. ZAPTEST is a leading free and enterprise software test automation and RPA tool. To use the ZAPTEST free edition, check out our website, ZAPTEST.com. There are 3 distinct approaches to incremental integration testing. Let's explore each of these types of integration testing individually. 1. Top-down integration testing. Top-down integration is a testing approach in which the integration test is performed from the top of the system stack through each layer of the software architecture. The control flow of the test moves from the top to the bottom, starting with the user interface, UI, and ending at the software database. This method of integration testing is suitable for use with both web applications and software architectures with multiple layers. The advantage of using the top-down integration testing approach is that it is relatively simple to implement and has minimal dependencies on other parts of your application. The top-down approach uses stubs, which are generally easier to implement than drivers. The simple and incremental nature of the top-down approach makes it easy to identify interface errors quickly, although some critics of this module say that it results in inadequate testing of lower-level modules. 2. Bottom-up integration testing. Bottom-up integration testing is a process in which individual components are tested and integrated starting from the lowest module in the architecture and working upwards. Bottom-up integration testing allows teams to begin testing when high-level modules are still in development. This approach is most commonly used when teams are trying to integrate off-the-shelf components with existing products. Bottom-up integration testing has high success rates and is a relatively fast and efficient form of integration testing. Because bottom-up integration testing tests lower modules first, testing teams can ensure that an application's most important and foundational models run smoothly together before moving on to testing higher-level modules. One of the biggest drawbacks of bottom-up testing is that it is impossible to observe system-level functions until the last test driver is in place. 3. Sandwich integration testing. Sandwich integration testing is a methodology that combines the approaches of both top-down and bottom-up testing. In sandwich integration testing, a system is separated into 3 layers: a middle layer, a top layer, and a bottom layer. Testers start testing modules from the middle layer and proceed upwards and downwards, ensuring that both top-level and bottom-level modules are prioritized. Sandwich integration testing uses both stubs and drivers to test modules at all levels. Sandwich integration testing is particularly useful in the case of large-scale projects that can be separated into multiple sub-projects, or when testing software modules that are themselves extremely large. However, sandwich testing can be extremely time-consuming. This form of testing also doesn't provide opportunities to test modules that form subdivisions before final integration, which can cause serious issues if these modules are overlooked. If by now you have any inquiries or are considering learning more about ZAPTEST, drop a message on the website at the red widget, and we would be pleased to help you along the way. Make sure to comment and share this video with your peers and colleagues. By seeing your interest, we'd be making more videos like this, making hard topics easily digestible. Thank you for watching. Make sure to watch our other videos linked in the description.